G'day! In today's video, I'm doing an LCD replacement on a HP Probook 650 G4. So to begin with, you're gonna want to make sure that the machine is switched off. So typically opening it up, hitting spacebar should give you an idea if the machine's going to respond or not. If it isn't, you're right to proceed. So from here, once you determine that it is switched off, you should be able to get a fingernail just under the plastic trim on the screen. Just zoom that in. The other alternative is if you can't, just use a thin metal pry tool and slide it just in. There we go, and twist. And then from there, that should give you some leverage to get into it. Go, and if we simply work around it and just keep pinching and pulling up, that should get you into the machine. There we go, we have one trim removed, and then from there we are going to want to focus on 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. All Phillips head, just a standard screwdriver should be able to take them out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And from there, you should be able to get a fingernail just under one of the edges, under an edge, and lift up. It should fold forward like so. And from there on the back, so the machine back upright, fold the old screen down. You're almost going to need a pair of tweezers here, just to lift up this plastic here. Like that. There's a little latch here you need to flick up. That's it there. And pull that back. That should come out like so. So from there, remove your old panel. If you have a look here, we should have a model number right there. So as you'll notice, what do we got here? N156HCE-EAA. We'll get rid of that panel. And here is our genuine HP replacement panel, which funnily enough, if you look at it, it's a completely different model of panel, different brand. So to me it makes me laugh how they say buy genuine, but in reality all they've really done is put a little sticker on it saying replace with HP spare part. So yeah, what a joke. Save yourself the money and just buy a 720p panel from pretty much any source. So what I'm going to do here is fold back the plastic, pull up the latch, and then I'm going to feed the bottom bit under. So I need to kind of go like that. This being under, this being over, slide it like that. So with it held back, I should just be able to push it like that. From here I can grab the latch and pull it in like that. There we go, we have the new screen connected. Push the tab down, put the adhesive over it, and we've mostly reinstalled it from here. I'm going to zoom out. We now need to fold it up. You do want to make sure this black bit here is under this bit of plastic here. Like that. Fold it up, push it into place, There we go. Then from here, all we have to do is put in our 4 Phillips head screws. So, like so. 1. Having a bit of a struggle there. 2. 3. And lastly, 4. So now with all the screws secured, next thing we need to put on is the plastic trim. What you want to do is line it up in between the gaps, here and here, and give it a little bit of a wiggle. One thing you may need to do, which is what I'm going to do right now, is the film that's on the screen, just pull it back like that. And then from there, all we should really have to do is just clamp it together. So kind of just massaging it around. Some bits may put up a fight. There we go. Just work down the middle once more. Now, if you do have some drama with this section across the front just here, what I would recommend doing from there is just applying some double-sided tape on the inside just to pull it snug. And then next up, you'll probably want to check, close the lid, fold it over, just so you can see the plastic sticking out from there. Usually if it does stick out from there, what I usually get is just a thin little tool, put it in the gap, and pull it in. And that should clip it into position. Anyway, that's how to replace the display on your HP Probook. Bye.